In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to upload a video on Slack step by step so you can easily share video files with your team or collaborators. Whether you're sharing a screen recording, a tutorial, or a quick update, Slack makes it really simple once you know where to click. This works on desktop and is perfect for beginners. Before we jump in, if you find this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy software tutorials like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open Slack and make sure you're logged into your workspace. From here, navigate to the channel where you want to upload the video. This could be a public channel, a private channel, or even a direct message. Once you're inside the correct channel, look at the message box at the bottom of the screen. You'll see a small plus icon just to the left of the message input area. Go ahead and click on that plus icon. When you click the plus icon, a menu will open with a few different options. From this menu, select the option that says Upload from your computer. This allows you to add a video file that's already saved on your device. After clicking Upload from your computer, your File Explorer window will open. Now simply browse through your folders and select the video file you want to upload to Slack. Click on the file, then click Open. Slack will immediately begin processing the video. Depending on the size and length of your video, this may take a few seconds or a bit longer, so just give it some time. While the video is processing, you'll see a preview appear in the message box. You can optionally add a message or some context to explain what the video is about. This is especially helpful if you're sharing the video with a team and want them to know what to look for. Once the video has finished processing and you're happy with everything, click the Send button. Slack will then upload and post the video directly into the channel. Your teammates will be able to watch the video right inside Slack without downloading it, which makes collaboration super easy. And that's it. You've successfully uploaded a video on Slack. It's a simple process once you know where the upload option is, and it works great for sharing updates, demos, or tutorials with your team. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more Slack and software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.